and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Sunday morning. It's the Sunday after the time change. So actually, I was setting this up because it's according to the clock. It's only like 7 o'clock. But I've been awake since like 5. Robin's been awake longer than I have. And actually, because I don't have my in-studio audience, because Robin is up in Chico helping her brother today. Yeah. So yeah, I'm home alone. Oops. Last night, I didn't cook, and Robin didn't cook. She took me to dinner, and we saw a friend. To be quite honest, we went to Lumberjack. We used to be very frequent at Lumberjack, and we had befriended one of the managers. Her name is April, and we haven't been to Lumberjack in more than 6 months. So it was a good time. We got to catch up, even though she was working. So yeah, we had a great meal. I had ham and eggs and big old ham steak. Yeah, it's always good food. So tonight I'm doing kind of an homage to a Sunday dinner. I didn't grow up with Sunday dinners. Oops, I'm trying to get the glare off. I know a lot of you did. I didn't. I'm not saying anything bad about my mother or my father or my family. I'm just saying that's just not how I grew up. So I am doing a pork roast, sweet potato Bliss bites. I didn't name it, but that's, yeah. And I'm doing asparagus, because gotta love living in California, or pretty much anywhere in the States, because we can get things like asparagus in November. I'm pretty sure it's from South America. But the twist is, I'm doing what they call an immersion blender Hollandaise sauce. I've done this before. It works great. I got this technique and this exact method from my friend Glennis up in Oroville. So let's get to it. Got the hardware. A lot of hardware today. We got a small roasting pan for the roast, a sheet pan for the sweet potatoes, a good old Dutch oven with a steaming basket for the asparagus, the cast iron so I can sear the pork. So here's my pork. It's actually been hanging out in the freezer for quite a while. Took it out a couple of days ago, so it's nicely thawed out. Some olive oil, some garlic. I'm kind of doing a mismatch of things going on here. Some mustard and some other, as you can see, the local spicery jar, some paprika. Like I said, I'm going to play with it. Of course, some salt and pepper, kosher salt, black pepper. So a couple sweet potatoes, which I'm going to cut, peel and get these cut down into cubes. Some honey and some Indonesian cinnamon, again from the local spicery, which I visited yesterday and bought some supplies. And the asparagus, nice thin asparagus, some eggs, some butter, of course, some lemon juice, and Robin really likes her hollandaise with a lot of lemon. And I will probably add just a hint of Sriracha. Yeah. So, and there's the cup that I'll be making this wonderful hollandaise in. And, of course, the boat motor. Yes. Here are 5 of the blends that I currently have available for you fine folks. 4 of these are actually going up to Everett, Washington, to my friends Lee and Ernie, who own this distillery up there, to James Bay. Yeah. So, yeah, it's fun. The challenge, Ernie contacted me about a week ago and asked me, and I'm going to, let's get a shot of this. I actually don't know how to say it. Ras al Hanout. It's a North African, Moroccan, Algerian blend. It's got a lot of good stuff in it. And doing my research, some would say that it's the garam masala of North Africa. The name actually translates, and Ernie actually sent me the Arabic of the name. And I translated it into, of course, thank God for Google. But I also, in my reading, it means the best or the greatest, which means it's the shop's best products that go into it. So yeah, a little bit of history lesson, a little bit of cultural lesson for you. So on this Sunday, if you're a football player or a football fan, enjoy watching the games today. NASCAR's winding down. Yeah, have a great Sunday. Eat great food and have fun cooking.